Hey guys, today I'm gonna show you how to create home screen folders on SONY Xperia Mark 6. Firstly, go to your home screen and hold onto the app that you would like to have in your folder. So let's go here maybe and take Facebook. Now hold it. Now drag it onto the other app that you would also like to have in your folder. So let's maybe take a link at it, and after you drag it onto the app, so just like that, you can just release the finger. As you can see, I have created two folders. Now, if I would like to remove the folder, all I have to do is pull one of these apps outside the folder. I mean, obviously, if I will have more apps, I will have to drag out all of them. But yeah, just hold the app, drag it out of the folder. Same with this one. Yeah, just like that. If I helped you, please leave a like and subscribe, and if you have any more questions, write them in the comments.